Hello again. I just want to get some updates on what I'm thinking about doing. I haven't actually done anything here, except, okay, to be fair, I've been doing Everyone Votes 3.0 for the most part, so I'll have something to share on that very, very soon. It's like nearly done. I just need to like test things a lot more. But I want to, focus on Slash Music because Slash Music is that thing that's like, I really want to do it. I really want to get this done, and I want to, put it out there, right? But here's the thing. I've been thinking on it a little bit, and I think I'm gonna scrap it. Now, it's not because I don't like the idea or that I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Like, I still want to do it. However, I'm thinking I want to do it as a plugin to another thing that I'll make called Slash Control. So, if you're unaware, let me actually even just pull it up. Touch Portal. If you're unaware, Touch Portal is a application that kind of allows you to control things through your phone. So you press a button on your phone and it does stuff. So basically, OBS stream button. If I press the button, it starts the stream, basically. So you're able to control this stuff through your phone. It connects, or it kind of communicates to your PC, and then this communicates to the applications itself. So effectively, the phone talks to this app, and this app talks to OBS, and then OBS does all of its stuff that it needs to do. And it has plugins that allows you to do that stuff. So if you scroll down, there's like a, if it wasn't all opened, I don't know why it's all open, but there's like a Twitter option for whatever reason, Twitch, Photoshop, Philips Hue colors, Clownfish voice changer. That's an actual plugin. Some of these plugins are built in, Streamlabs, Discord, all that good stuff. But I was thinking, I kind of want to remake this. I kind of want to make my own version of this, because this is like, as good as it is, I love this app, but it's jank as fuck. Like, just looking at the UI, first and foremost is not great whatsoever. It sucks ass. I keep getting these error messages saying Twitch authentication failed, when in fact it has not failed. I'll fucking tell you that much. I keep getting 7 different messages every time I boot this up saying, oh, by the way, you need to re-authenticate. No, I don't. I don't need to. And I don't know. There's just some. It's just weird. It just feels weird. So I wanted to make my own, just because I wanted to, test myself. I want to make something that's like better somehow. Even though, of course, I'm completely new to this. I doubt I will be able to ever make anything better than this within like a year. But it's just the fact the trying. So I wanted to make my own version of Touch Portal for the most part, and I wanted to call it Slash Touch or Slash Control. I feel like if I called it Slash Touch, it'd be a little too on the nose, because it doesn't need to be a touch thing. Like, even, I guess the mobile application would be required, but it wouldn't be necessary, I don't think. Like, the idea would be, like, I could open the API to the application. You could control it through whatever means you want. You could probably even control it through Touch Portal if you wanted to use their app. You just need a webhook somehow. But, okay, what I'm meaning to say is, though, I want to make a mobile application that connects to the PC, and I basically just want to remake this. And Slash Music, I want to make a plugin for this. So I initially thought I was going to make Slash Music as literally just a plugin for this thing, but this thing uses Java, and like, I don't like Java. Java sucks. And I don't know. It feels weird, doing things in an ecosystem that's like, the developer doesn't push that many updates, and there's like weird microtransactions in this app too. You can't see it here, but on the mobile app, there's like strange microtransactions. I don't even know why they're a thing, but they exist. It's like, I don't know why, but they do. It's kind of cringe. So I wanted to make my own version, but in Tori. Now, of course, you might be thinking, oh, if you're a developer, you might be thinking, well, why the fuck would you make it in a web-based application thing? Like, that's a horrible idea. Like, this has horrible performance. Why would you do that? Well, first off, this runs in the background. Just like Touch Portal, this could also run in the background as like a little toolbar thing. You could have it down here. So the idea is, you know, the back end would always be running in some regard. It'd literally just be listening on an open port. So it wouldn't be like taking up resources whatsoever. I mean, if I look into a task manager, I'm pretty sure I could probably find the background process of Touch Portal down here. I don't know if I can super easily. I mean, I guess I could look it up, but I don't know if it'll... Yeah, I don't think it counts as a background process. Maybe if I close it. Maybe? Touch Portal? Yeah, now it's a background process. You can see it's using 300 megabytes of memory for some reason. That's actually a lot. That's actually a decent chunk of memory for just being a background process. But effectively, it's supposed to not do anything, right? It's not supposed to be, you know, taking any resources. It's a background app. It's just listening to make sure, you know, if something does come in, it will receive it. Again, I'm kind of getting sidetracked. So Tori is what I use to make this. It's basically Electron, which is what Discord uses, which is basically a desktop app, but with a web view as its center focus. So that's why Discord has a web browser version of it, because it's literally the same exact CSS and everything, because it literally just runs in a desktop thing. But Tori runs way better than Electron, which doesn't necessarily matter for this case, but again, I'm getting sidetracked. Tori 2.0 supports mobile, or it should. Actually, it does support mobile. It's in alpha phase right now, and they're planning to release a full stable release early next year, which is early 2024. So I'm thinking I could hop on like the alpha train or the beta train for Tori and make like a Tori application that would also talk to the PC and whatnot. It's just, it's a little confusing though, because I'm not sure if I should do that in any regard, because I mean, it'd probably be the easiest way, but I don't know how performance-wise it would work on mobile. But again, I just want to do this. I just want to make my own thing. I just want to make it look good, as opposed to, again, sorry, I keep bashing on Touch Portal. It's made with Java. I understand. It's not a web application. You can't do fancy CSS shit. But it's slightly jank, you know? It's not Clownfish level jank. If you ever use that voice changer, it's not that much jank where it like crashes all the time. It actually does work very decently well, but you know, I just want to make a better version. But anyways, that's kind of just what I want to pitch here, because I think I'm going to scrap this as this application is right now, which by the way, I did actually add the new pages before I left. This is the settings page. I was going to add stuff to it. I did get, you know, pages changing, but I think I'm going to scrap this as is, but I'm going to use most of the base of this to make a /control application where then I'll figure out like WebSocket stuff, which will allow me to communicate through an open port from the phone to a thing here. It's just reliant on Tori actually updating to have that sort of stuff. I'm not sure if I'm advanced enough or if I even want to fuck around and find out with the alpha version of Tori. So I might just wait on it. I might, but I'll screw around with it eventually. Again, I'll always let you know in the dev updates. But yeah, I just wanted to say that because I'm going to throw this away, all right? I apologize, but this was a really good starting point, starting base. Because I could steal, you know, this entire top bar, the sidebar probably, and just make my own shit out of it. Because then I was thinking, you know, imagine, you know, Touch Portal, but you can dynamically change the grid size. Because again, it will be a web app, so it will dynamically change the size of things. And if I just make it a reactive app like this is, where it sizes down and oh wow, it's now squished a little bit, and you know, you could size it down more, and oh, there's no scroll bar anymore because it's all the stuff's here. Like that's the sort of stuff you could do pretty damn easily with a web-based thing. And it's not going to be doing like animations or anything on mobile, so I think it'll run fine. Again, I really shouldn't be worrying about performance. That's just like a gimmicky thing that's probably someone's going to come up to me and be like, bro, why are you doing Tori? What, like, there's no point. Just use Flutter or something. Like, the performance. Think of the performance, man. I don't want to think about the performance. I want to make it look good. So, that's what I'm going to do, okay? Anyways. It is a 2 a.m., 2:30 a.m., as you can see. I just wanted to provide an update, because I haven't been able to make a dev update for a bit. I mean, other than the Black Cat one. But I like putting it out there. I like being able to talk rather than just sending messages, you know? Sending messages in Discord, you can only do so much with it. And I like actually talking and being able to pitch my ideas as a thing, and also be able to show things off in the meantime. But, yeah, that's about it. Just to, you know, set things off, though, I did get a Halloween playlist. It's just secret for anyone who watches this and cares about the streams at all. You know, Cicadia.dev/Twitch or TTV. You know, this is actually my music playlist I use on stream. And I just, you know, create a Halloween playlist for it, just because it is October now. Can you imagine? So I got like some jamming songs. You gotta have Ghosts and Goblins. This fucking song's a jam. Let me turn on desktop audio real quick. Hold on. There we go. So you got that sort of stuff. Anyways, this is my outro. So, Cicadia.dev/hub for the Discord. Bye.